We've worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We just received some great feedback from a customer and we wanted to share it with the world.
The nicest people you would ever want to do business with. They are very professional, courteous, and neat. There is just no other company I would consider for anything regarding cooling or heating in our home.
So if you're looking for a company that has the best customer service backed by years of extensive knowledge and experience, then we're the right fit for you. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. We're excited about serving you and the people you care about. Don't hesitate to call us on the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.